Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, a fire that broke out during Holi celebrations at the outhouse of a Delhi High Court judge has sent shockwaves through India's political, legal and social spheres. The incident has raised some serious concerns, extending beyond the courtroom and into the broader fabric of the nation. The news has taken the country by storm, prompting immediate calls for a thorough investigation into how such a large sum of money ended up at the residence of a sitting judge. Given the stature of the judicial office, this discovery immediately casts a shadow over the integrity of the judiciary. In fact, Times Now has learned that the judge's family actually had called Tughlaq Road Police Station on 14th of March to report the fire. Upon arrival at the storeroom in the outhouse, police found sacks of burnt currency notes. Sources revealed that no less than 50 crores were found in these sacks. Then, mobile videos of sacks and burnt notes were sent to top cops. After the Times Now mega investigation, our team tried to confront the Delhi Fire Service chief, who refused to answer.
Sir, have you given a report to the senior officials? Or that
No report was asked from me.
No report has been asked from you. Sir, did anyone contacted you, sir? So there you saw Atul Garg, who is the director of the Delhi Fire Services. He has said that whatever was supposed to be done has been done by the Delhi Fire Services and no report has been sought from Mr. Garg. The Delhi Fire Service reached to the location. They have managed to control the fire, but certainly the manner in which issues are raised, let's see whether he's again willing to talk. So Mr. Garg does not have any kind of statement.
I have said I have no comment to pay offer.